This is a chart of crude oil, and we were in an uptrend after this down bar. We had an up bar, an inside bar, an up bar with a big tail, and if you remember, we had a 4R trade that stopped 1 cent shy. Well, actually, it made 4R according to the bar, just 1 cent shy if you added the penny slippage on either side. And we did a video about that. But, a day passes and we were now taking out the high of that bar. That high was 95.64, and it got taken out on the Sunday night reopening bar. Take these hoagies off for now. So if you remember our hoagie exclusion, we treat all of this inside the bar as one bar. So the downswing, so after the daily trend has now switched to up, the 30-minute downswing goes to here, and this is inside, well, it's inside a hoagie here, right? So it's almost like a hoagie within a hoagie, except this is actually broken out of the hoagie. So that would be your first downswing. And then this would be a very slight upswing. And then there's your downswing. And this is your risk bar. This right here. Or it's a little bit lower. That is $95.49 to $94.43, $1.06. Now, another interesting thing to note is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars is a hoagie. This 8th bar went to 94.43 below 94.54. So it violated by 11 cents, but it was extremely brief, if I remember right. There we go. There it is right there. So if this is the lower boundary of the lower part of the hoagie, literally on a 1-minute chart, this was a spike and rejection. So going back to the 30-minute chart, remember what we say happens when a hoagie fails is you typically break out the other side. So in addition to having a very clean and defined risk bar here, which I'll put in a box to make it easier, and let me remove a couple of lines to make this a little cleaner. That's out there because that's a hoagie. But following our hoagie rules, we have a clean 2 swings down on the 30-minute. And this took quite a while. This happened at 10:30, basically European close on Monday, when we had the violation up at Sunday 5 p.m. on the Globex Open. This is $1.06. We've made over 8x now. 8x on $1.06 would be $8.48. On top of that is about $104. And a day later, we peaked at $106, $107. So probably close to a 10-bagger. Let's see, 10.60 on top of that would be 106.10. Yep, 106.10. This is pretty much a 10-bagger from your risk bar entry, and you just have to hold it for a day. And I want to just point out that in addition to this being the risk bar, we had this hoagie that barely failed and rejected. That just gives you more confirmation that this is a good entry. Then the rest of it is just sticking with the plan. So anyway, if you like this trade, give me a like and subscribe, and more such content will be here shortly.